Hey everyone, it's Crypto Geek Girl, and October 2025 is shaping up to be massive for XRP. We're talking ETF filings, SEC decisions, and a wave of institutional money that could completely change the crypto landscape. This might just be XRP's Uptober. After Ripple's big legal win, institutions finally have the regulatory clarity they've been waiting for. And now, ETF proposals are stacking up fast. Let's break down what's happening, who's involved, and what this could mean for the price of XRP. So first, a shout out to XRP Update on X for these graphics and info. Now, the legal clarity. Ripple's victory earlier this year gave XRP a unique position in the crypto market. It's one of the few assets in the US with a clear, green light on regulation. That's why Wall Street is suddenly paying attention. Just recently, GraniteShares filed for two new XRP ETFs, one 3x long and one 3x short. That means investors will soon be able to trade XRP with leverage through regulated financial products. This is the first time we've ever seen something like this for XRP. And it signals that traditional finance isn't just curious anymore, they're moving in. Here's why people are calling this Uptober. Between now and mid-November, a lot is happening. The Fed's rate cut on October 15th, the SEC's review of multiple XRP ETF applications starting October 18th, and Ripple's Swell Conference, where major announcements are expected. All of that within 6 weeks. Some say this is the moment XRP finally steps into the mainstream. The stars are aligning. Macro events, legal clarity, and now, institutional access. Now let's talk numbers. The SEC is reviewing several XRP ETF applications right now. The funds range from $200 million all the way up to $1.5 trillion in managed assets. If even one of these gets approved, it could open the floodgates. Remember what happened when Bitcoin's ETFs were approved? Billions flowed in within weeks. Analysts are already estimating between $10 and $20 billion could move into XRP in the first year alone. That's a massive supply shock for a token that's already tightly held, and when liquidity meets limited supply, prices move fast. But here's what's even more exciting. This isn't just about trading. 9 companies have already added XRP to their corporate treasuries. The latest? Reliance Global Group. That means we're seeing corporate adoption, real businesses holding XRP as part of their financial strategy. And one Ripple partner, with over $55 trillion in assets, is exploring tokenized payments using Ripple's technology. That's not hype. That's infrastructure being built in real time. Ripple's network is already integrated with banks, remittance companies, and payment systems worldwide. Add ETFs to the mix, and you've got the foundation for XRP to become the institutional bridge asset for global liquidity. I'd like to thank Status on X for the infographics used here. So, what does this mean for us? ETF approval doesn't guarantee instant moonshots, but it does mean XRP is officially entering a new phase: legitimacy, liquidity, and long-term investor confidence. If these ETFs get approved, expect the narrative to shift from speculation to adoption. Institutional players like pension funds and 401k managers can now legally include XRP in their portfolios. That's real money. Slow, steady, and strategic. And for retail investors, the opportunity is timing, understanding where the capital is flowing before the headlines hit. Here's my take. October could be XRP's defining moment. The pieces are in place: legal clarity, ETF filings, and corporate adoption. But remember, crypto rewards patience and preparation, not FOMO. So stay informed, stay grounded, and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update after the SEC's ETF decision. This is Crypto Geek Girl, bringing you clarity, confidence, and crypto. See you soon.